Are you super frustrated trying to clean your clothes in a stinky washer? Today we're going to talk about how to clean your washing machine and make it super easy. What we need to do is make it the most effective. Nobody wants to open up their washer, pull their clothes out, and they're stinky. There's lots of things that go into a washer, lots of water, lots of soap. Sometimes we find things in there like mold, bacteria, odor-causing mildew. We've all tried the very famous trick. Leave your washer open, air it out. It does work for a short time. I personally have 4 kids. I don't have time to leave the washer open to air it out at all times. And after a while, it just needs to be sanitized. I'm always trying to find more eco-friendly ways that protect the earth, save water, and keep chemicals out of the house that my kids live in. We all have, and we've all used, the baking soda and the vinegar. Pro tip, can actually mix them together. You get the volcano effect. So what you have to do, and it does work great, you run your baking soda, it's going to go ahead and deodorize it for you. Run your next load with vinegar, it's going to go ahead and sanitize it for you. But let's be honest, who has time to do 2 loads of laundry? Let me show you how to make it super easy and fast. What I found that I really like is Eco Swirls. Super easy to use. Let me show you how. You've got 2 tablets. We even have eco-friendly packaging. What you're gonna do, open up your tablets. You're gonna drop both of them in the washing machine. We wanna make sure the washing machine is empty so that we can sanitize to the fullest effect. Now, once they're in the washer, what we wanna do is set it to the largest load available. I have a large washer, so I'm gonna set it to super. The reason we want the largest load is we want the maximum amount of water in there so we can ensure that we clean the whole thing. Then you're gonna want the hottest setting that you have. We don't have sanitize on this one, so I'm gonna go ahead and set to colors. I feel like that's gonna work best for us. 2 hours later, you're completely done. Nice clean washing machine. Now, we do have a front load washing machine, but it also is gonna work with a front loader as well. Gonna be the same thing. Make sure you select the most amount of water, the hottest setting, and then run your machine. There are a couple things on a front loader that you do also have to address besides cleaning the drum. Everybody gets the stinky sill. Doesn't matter how many times you clean your washing machine, you have to get down and dirty with the sill. Grab your disinfectant wipe, peel back your sill, and go ahead and wipe through it. That's gonna work in addition to cleaning the inside. Now, there are other parts to the washing machine. Sometimes you're gonna have to take off the front, get into your filter, and clean your filter. Now, that's something that probably only needs to be done about once a year, but we do need to make sure that we're taking proper maintenance on our washing machines. Thank you so much for watching this video with me. I have found Eco Swirls has a sale on Amazon right now, so make sure you run over there and pick up a box today. I hope you've enjoyed this video and you have a fresh and clean washer.